Hello, beautiful people. My name is Keshante Chantel. Welcome to my channel. I am here with this fall inspired look entitled Cranberry Sparkle. It is giving, it is beautiful. It is such a glamorous look and just perfect for the fall. So guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. We are going to get straight into this look. So I'm starting off by using the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. It has a primer built into it, so it just keeps your makeup on all day, but also moisturizes your skin. So next I'm going in with a primer. This primer is the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Primer, definitely a favorite. It is very sticky, so it keeps your makeup in place. So as you can see before, I used a primer and now I'm using another primer because too much primer won't hurt you, girl. And I'm going in with another staple. This is my Good Apple foundation from Kat Von D. It gives a skin-like feeling, texture, look, you name it. It's so beautiful and so comfortable, and even though it is a fuller coverage makeup, it just looks like skin and I love it. Next I'm going in with the e.l.f. glue primer for your eyebrows. I think that's what it's called, don't quote me. It will be listed in the description box below, but I'm using that for my brows and then I just set it with powder. This just gives me a blank canvas to be able to work with, and I'm going in with the Anastasia brow powder. I love brow powder just because it looks more natural. You can use a pomade, you can use a pencil, you can use whatever you want to use, girl, but I just tend to like this more. And so I'm just drawing my brows on. I have pretty full brows, but I like to enhance them just a little bit. Next, I'm going to be cleaning up underneath my brows with some concealer. If you know, my favorite concealer is the e.l.f. concealer. I don't know, it's one of the best affordable brands of concealer that offers full coverage, but it just looks like a high-end concealer. So, and it performs like that too. But yeah, I'm cleaning up underneath my brows. I'm also going to be using this concealer underneath my eyes as well. But before I do that, I'm using MAC's Paint Pot in Soft Okra. Girl, you know that this is an OG product. It's been around for years and years and years. I've had it. I just decided to use it again because why not? But I am going to go in with this Morphe palette. Look at those colors, babe. They are super gorgeous for fall and just stunning for this makeup look. So I'm just kind of starting off with just this orangey kind of khaki color. That's going to be like my all over color. And then I start building on top of those shades. Next, I'm starting to darken it, and this is where I start to pick up like that cranberry kind of color because I want it to be like a smoky eye, but you know, just super cute for fall. Alright, so you can see I'm starting to transition to my darker colors, and I'm sweeping those darker colors underneath the eye because it just gives more of like a cat eye effect. Now this brand I got off of TikTok Shop, but this color is stunning. Every time I wear it, I get so much compliments. It has a blue, pink, purple, opal kind of shift to it. It is just so gorgeous. I've not found anything else on the market like this. So if you can get your hands on it, I only paid $10 for that shadow, but it's lasted me so long and it's so pigmented. But you can see like the blue and purple shift in it as I look down. And like I said, I am going to be using that same e.l.f. concealer. This bad boy is just, it never fails me. Guys, if you have a concealer that you recommend that you feel like is so much better than that, let me know because I haven't found anything yet. And then I'm using a black opal foundation just to bronze my skin. I'm not a contour girly, I'm just not. I absolutely love to bronze, but still creating like those shadows and sculpted look. And this foundation stick, you get so much bang for your buck with this, and it just blends so beautifully. These products always blend perfect for me when I use them together. Next, I'm going in with a brighter inner corner highlight. This is the shade Light Peach. It is a very, very bright under eye highlight. And then I'm setting it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder. This one is just in a shade translucent, and it's really, really bright. So if you don't like a bright under eye, you could probably go in with banana. And it also depends on your skin tone too. But this one is super bright, but that was the look that we're going for. That's why we're using it. But I also set my face. This is very, very important to make your makeup last all day. So I go in, I set the rest of my face, I set the rest of that bronzer. It gives a very mattified look, and it's so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with these Rare Beauty blushes, as you can see. They're so gorgeous, so pigmented. If you watch my last video that I did with my best and worst products, this was on my best products that I've ever purchased. And like I said, I'll purchase them again and again and again because they are just that good. And then I'm using my Morphe bronzer. You probably could find this bronzer online because they don't typically sell it in the store. I've only been able to find it at the Morphe stores, and of course all of them closed. But I'm also setting my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip setting spray. And then I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown mascara. And yeah, I'm going to also put mascara on my bottom lashes as well. Some people do that, some people don't. I do it because I don't have lashes, so I have to wear falsies, but this gives me just a little bit of something. And you know, my favorite lashes, I use them all the time. It's just if I don't use these lashes, something is wrong. And yeah, so I'm using these, got them from TikTok Shop, of course. And I use tweezers to put my lashes on because it just, I don't know, it helps me. They're so much easier. I feel like I have control. Then I'm going to underline my eyes with my Bobbi Brown Pitch Black eyeliner. Now, guys, this lip combo is to freaking die for. It is so gorgeous. The lip liner that I'm using is Cherry Cola from Kimchi Cosmetics. And I just outline my lips with this. And then I go back in once I'm done outlining and I fill them in just a little bit, because once I pop that lip gloss on top, I want it to stand out. But like you can see, I'm just filling my lips in, giving a more voluptuous look. And I'm only filling in the outer parts. And then after I fill them in, I'm going to go in with Date Night from Morphe Cosmetics. This is a really pretty lip liner. It is a dupe for the Night Moth lip liner. Now, if you want to go out and spend $27 for a lip liner, you go, girl. But we're all about budget and beauty over here. So this one was definitely affordable, and it gives the same exact look. And then I'm going to go in with this girl right here. She is the bomb. This is the Fuchsia Flex from Fenty Beauty. This lip gloss is just so freaking stunning. You can wear it by itself, or you can wear it on top of something else, and it's just going to serve every time. And then any areas that I feel like I had gotten, you know, a little bit too oily in, I go back in and I set those areas. And just, I like a mattified look. But guys, that is it. That is all. Just look at me serve. This makeup is eating. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. I was so happy that I could do this makeup tutorial for you after not being able to record a video for a couple days since the hurricane hit. But I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. So happy to share my content with you guys again. I love you all. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.